What do I dream about? Everyone in the office knows this. Hi, my name's Aili. I work mostly with outreach in English and specifically in the tech sector. I was a country manager for the United States, and now I'm working more specifically within education, so I like to meet with different centers and different schools that are interested in integrating Genially in their workspace and with their students. My favorite thing about my job is that it's really creative. I can be working on translation for an hour, and then maybe I can create something within the tool itself. All of the things that we make tend to be created within the platform, so you'll see a template. We can also put that together in the platform, so in my work break, I may end up developing something creative to get to use as an example for inspiration or kind of change what I want to do every few hours. So one of my recent favorite Genially moments was we went to Bet London, which is an ed tech show, and we got to meet people from, obviously from England, also from the United States, from France, and they were all telling us about how they already knew about the tool, they were using it, and that was really exciting and motivating and made me more excited to come back to work. So to stay organized at work, I use a bullet journal, which is a mix of sort of your typical diary journal and your agenda. So I'll have my calendar, and then I'll have poems, and it's just sort of a motivating way to stay organized. One of the things that helps me stay productive and creative is taking short breaks to do something completely unrelated. So maybe I'm at work, I'll go make a cup of tea, I'll have some chocolate, and then maybe I'll write a poem, or I'll draw a funny picture of someone in the office and I'll stick it on their desk. Everyone in the office knows this. I love food. I love to cook, I love to eat, and I literally always dream about food. So there's food in every single one of my dreams in a very descriptive and vivid way. It's really embarrassing. So we started an initiative here at the office called the Chocolate Initiative. And we started it with there were helium balloons and things to sort of draw attention to what was going to be new. And every week we have 1 or 2 new flavors of chocolate in the office. Yeah, we have a rotation of chocolates every month. Today we have new flavors. They are dark chocolate with chili and dark chocolate with caramel and salt. It's one of the most fun things I think we have in the office now.